Quantum mechanics describes the weird and wonderful ways that the world behaves on the atomic scale. Presently, the process of developing quantum photonic components is very costly, time-consuming and labor-intensive owing to the lack of purpose-built simulation tools to guide the process. Quantum components must be built and then improved upon over several iterations before they meet the required standards, performance standards. The mission of Quantopticon is to accelerate and streamline the design cycle of quantum photonic components to maximize their performance and to unlock the path to large volume manufacturing. Quantopticon is changing this by offering the first automated design platform called Quantillion. It empowers quantum hardware engineers to rapidly build optimized, high-quality quantum photonic devices at a fraction of the time and cost currently possible. Our simulation suite, Quantillion, works by providing a complete physical picture of what is going on within a quantum device, both from the classical point of view and quantum point of view. So it provides an all-encompassing physical description of the function of the device. And by virtue of this, it is capable of optimizing the parameters of the device, such as the spatial extent, as well as the characteristics of the light pulses that are fed into the device to drive it, in order to ensure that it performs at its maximum. We do not target just quantum-oriented businesses. We can also assist conventional businesses in integrated photonics who require optimization of their circuits. Luminate have provided us with a wealth of invaluable information. Quantopticon in particular has benefited enormously from the marketing and communications team who have helped us to redesign our website and to bring it up to a very high standard. I'm really excited by the fact that I'm using my passion to propel this technology into a product that can really make a difference in the world.